What's up, you guys? And it is beginning of day number 7. I got a lot of stuff planned today, so let's get up and get ready, and I'll show you more right after the intro. Alright, guys, I had to go to second loop this morning first thing to go get my drill so I could use it to put that paper towel dispenser back up on the wall at Palmetto Street. And when I went in there, Dustin let me know that somebody had already busted a mirror in one of the gyms. So I went to Carolina Supply and I bought this, take that out, then carry on to Napa, then Palmetto Street. So let's get that taken care of. Alright, I'm going to take this into the machine shop. I'm going to do it from my phone because typically machinists and people in the fabrication industry are not too keen on somebody putting a big old camera in their face. So I just dim the screen on my phone. We'll leave it recording the whole time and hopefully it gets this. So let's get these bearings, get in there and get it taken care of.
Hello there.
Hey, how are you today?
Good, and yourself?
Good. I have this and it's a little roller and I got a couple bearings that I need pressed into it. Can y'all do
Machine
that?
shop closed 8 years ago. This is a paint store. CarQuest or the Yardbirds, that's the only machine shop in town.
Okay. That
Okay?
works. Thank you.
Thank you. I'm sorry.
You good? Hey, I got y'all have a machinist here, don't you?
Yeah, this is, you need something pressed on?
Yeah. I need these bearings put in here. Can they take care of that?
Who's ever done something like this before?
Yeah.
You can go right here between the building and the fence. It's the shop right behind us. You can go inside
Okay.
there and see Randy and show him this. I don't want to say he can do it.
Alright, this is okay.
For where you find a machinist.
One of these in here. You think you could do that? Is it impossible?
I guess it's possible since they got clips to take it out, or they have to take somebody, that's got like a puller or whatever that can pull it out. The only thing I've got is like a press to press them out.
Yep. So I'm just doing a little bit of chasing this morning, trying to figure it out. But thank you guys for your help. And if I get to a point where the guy can pull it out and he can't press it back in, I'll come back your way.
Okay, all right.
Thank you very much. So I'm headed back to Palmetto. I've kind of decided that changing this bearing and this roller, as much as I would like to get it replaced, is not going to be a necessity as much time as it's costing. So I'm going to just go back and put this roller back, and that treadmill will be good to go when Ernie comes back tomorrow with the plug. He's going to change the end on it. Just got done at Palmetto Street, so I'm gonna head down the road to Darlington to go meet Ernie and see if I can get that part, and then go to Bennettsville to get that timer set, and then come back, fix the part, put it on the treadmill, and I got something special planned for tonight if I can make it happen. So let's get down the road. All right, you guys, I am at the cotton gin. I had a little idea. I picked up that cable from Ernie over here at Darlington, which had that busted end right there, and it's got kind of a funny connector the way it goes into the treadmill. So I thought to myself, maybe one of the old treadmills that we're not using anymore, and use one of the cables off of that. So I found this cable. It's got the same end. Only thing is making sure that this is the same with the sideways plug, and it is. So that'll keep me from having to cut this one to make it work. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on later on this evening. So let me keep on moving towards Bennettsville. Alright, so what we have to do here is there was a power outage, and when that happened, this timer was unable to keep up. So we need to set this time to the actual time, so the timer for the lights in the parking lot get changed when it needs to be done. It's at 2 o'clock right now, and you need to pull back and change it to 1 o'clock, and it drops in there, and that should fix that problem. Last thing I got to do over here at Bennettsville is the door's messing up. It's sliding sometimes and sliding up, not sliding other times. Typically this is because there's debris that's built up in the channels, and that is because we use this lubrication in them channels, and sometimes the two mixed together and became a resistance problem instead of a lubrication problem. So I'm going to get over there and fix the fault.
Fist bump.
Out.
You out here, man?
Later.
Yeah, man.
What's up, you guys? And it is the end of the day today. I am headed to Palmetto Street to go put that power cable on that treadmill, which I'm going to show right here. Boop. And after I'm done with that, I'm going to keep on boogie woogieing. I got to go to Darlington. My boss is becoming mayor today of Darlington, so I'm going to watch that. He wants pictures taken, so I'm going to shoot some pictures, which I'm going to leave right after this. And if you guys are liking my content and all that great stuff, then please like, subscribe, and follow my channel. And until tomorrow, have a great day. Peace.